Hey guys, what's going on? Joseph Fulmer here. Do me a favor, share this video. It might help somebody out. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Rate it when it's all over with. But I'm going to show you something. And if you're ever doing your own brake job, make sure this never happens because it can cause you a world of problems. Okay? Customer complaint: his front right brake keeps locking up, or it's holding and won't release. As you can see, he's got drilled and slotted rotors. It's worn the pads down so bad that it's cut into the rotors. So I'm getting ready to pull it all apart. I've got the parts ordered a new caliper, new hose, because anytime I put a caliper on, I'm always going to put a hose on just in case the inside of the hose is damaged. If it's locked up like this, there's a good chance the seals in the caliper have gotten hot. It's not worth the risk. If you're going to change one, change them both. But I go to pull it apart, and I look right back here, and see how that hose is bent into a pigtail? That real tight bend, that twist in there, should have been taken out. Whoever put these brakes on last should have spun that caliper one time and taken that pigtail out. Either that or they had the caliper off, which I don't think is the case, because that's the right way for the hose to bolt on. But they just twisted it. And you get a twist in a brake hose like this, you can actually damage the internal lining, and they'll do all kinds of goofy stuff. That's why if I see something like that there, I'll fail it for a safety inspection. That has to be fixed. So I'm going to pull it apart. I'm going to replace the caliper. I'm going to replace the hose because they've both gotten hot. I mean, if it's held on enough to do that kind of damage to a brake rotor, there's a good chance. I mean, you can see the paint is actually bubbled off the back of the pads. These things have probably gotten pretty hot. So we're going to change it all out and make it right. But whatever you do, anytime you're doing a brake job, make sure you don't twist the hoses when you put the calipers back on. So I see that a lot when people are doing them in their driveway. You know, it's just an inexperienced oops. So anyway, guys, please share that with your friends just in case it helps somebody out, keeps them from doing that. Rate the video, subscribe if you haven't. Don't be afraid to get out there and get your hands dirty. You might have a little fun doing it. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.